Bovine TB is caused by the bacteria Mycobacterium bovis. It can affect most warm-blooded animals. It's a zoonotic disease, which means that it can be readily transmitted to humans, and it is therefore a notifiable disease. It can be transmitted to humans through consuming unpasteurized milk and undercooked meat from infected animals. The disease affects a range of mammalian hosts, including cattle, goats, pigs, and deer. There are two main modes of transmission of TB from animal to animal. The most likely route of infection between animals and from animals to humans is via the respiratory system. Invisible droplets or aerosols containing TB bacteria may be exhaled or coughed out by the infected animals and breathed in by other animals and humans. The greatest risk of transmission is when animals are enclosed in barns and in close proximity to infected animals. Another mode of infection is through ingestion of bacteria. This can occur through ingestion of feed and water contaminated with saliva, feces, or other discharge from infected animals. This is more likely to occur in cooler, moist weather where animals congregate at feeding sites such as hay racks or big bales. The European badger is believed to represent the most significant source of infection and the most significant risk to deer, especially those enclosed in deer parks and deer farms. So whilst TB in enclosed herds may have originated from badgers, it is most likely that subsequent infection of other animals in these herds has occurred through deer-to-deer transmission. In certain parts of the UK, TB infection in cattle and deer is a growing concern, and there are areas that are now recognised as TB hotspots, such as parts of Gloucestershire and the West Country. The research carried out to date doesn't suggest that there is a self-maintaining source of infection amongst any wildlife species other than badgers, although there is significant lack of data to prove or disprove otherwise. This can only be established through continued surveillance for TB infection in wild animals using modern methods of analysis. As far as wild, farmed and park deer are concerned, the deer managers and stalkers who are responsible for the care of these animals provide our best source of hard data. Their vigilance and ability to recognise the signs of TB are vital to help establish the impact of the disease amongst deer. The video you're about to see is the unrehearsed process of culling, gralloching, inspection and subsequent handling of an infected fallow deer from the discovery of the problem to reporting it to the animal health duty vet to the final disposal of the infected material. The main objective of this video is to help deer managers and stalkers to recognise the signs of TB in wild and park deer and to be able to safely deal with the infected tissues.